Hi, I'm Carolyn Forster and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Hexagon Sunflower Block. So the quilt that's behind me I've called it a Hexagon Sunflower Block. The little quilt that you can see on the table here is just a single block, and I think you can see that, especially with the colouring that I've used, it's a sunflower, and the way it completes as a hexagon. Because there are rotary cutting templates, you can either rotary cut or you can draw round these. They've got the markings again so that you can, when you need to stop sewing, because we're going to be setting in here, you need to stop 1/4 of an inch away from the top on all those pieces, and you can mark that until you get your eye in. Often after you've done 1 or 2 flowers, you know where to stop because your eyes got used to that.